Ladies and gentlemen, as we all know, Tata Motors has in many ways defined the SUV culture in India with iconic products over the last 2 decades. And our SUVs are known for a certain DNA. First and foremost, that our SUVs have attractive proportions and deliver exhilarating performance. They are also known for their comfort, superior ride and handling. They always provide a new benchmark in terms of robust build quality and durability. Safari has always been known for its powerful stance, unmatched performance and effortless drivability. When we started this project, we wanted to make certain that Tata Motors continues to dominate the SUV space by building on the SUV DNA. We began by giving the team a set of challenges to make sure that the new Safari came out true to its legacy and iconic stature. For the new flagship, we wanted to deliver stunning design, luxurious comfort for passengers in all 3 rows, and take a quantum leap in perceived quality for the discerning customer. With this in mind, we defined 5 pillars that would help us deliver our product aspirations. I will take you through them one by one. To begin with, TML has a strong SUV lineage starting from the days of Sierra. To continue the dominance, we decided to settle for nothing less than the gold standard of SUV platforms. We started with proven architectural heritage of the JLR D8 platform for conceptualizing the Omega architecture, and then developed the all-new Safari on 8. We made extensive use of high-strength steel for efficiently designed crumple zones to achieve torsional stiffness and stability, attributes that are required for true SUV character. The Safari is also modular enough to accommodate future technologies. For comfort and superior ride, the new Safari is provided with massive 18-inch wheels with a lot of rubber. We have carried over the D8 front suspension design as it offers excellent dynamics and a stable ride over varying terrain. The twist blade design from Lotus Engineering has been retuned to provide superior passenger comfort. We provide sumptuous roominess in all 3 rows. We have paid due attention to detail, including an additional air conditioning unit, contoured cushions, optimal chair height, a stepped roof, and ample utility places for storage. For providing exhilarating performance, the power comes from a 170 horsepower diesel engine and a 6-speed torque converter that is tuned to deliver the perfect combination of powerful pickup and performance in both city and highway driving conditions. It also offers precise gear shifts and refinements. We have provided multi-drive modes, Eco, City and Sports. In addition, ESP terrain response modes, normal, rough and wet, help to take on all kinds of driving conditions. The new Safari delivers superior acceleration, has class-leading high-speed drivability, as well as superior low-end drivability. For achieving the next level of finesse, we have taken inputs from discerning customers and opinion makers in terms of aesthetics, fits and finishes, materials, NVH refinement and comfort. Going ahead, to make sure that the design and engineering was delivered in line with our aspirations, we have taken up a deeper level of dimensional variability analysis, DFMEA and higher product specifications. We have also ratcheted up the test standards and validation processes to make sure that the new Safari maintains its level of refinement throughout its life. In the product development process, we have leveraged global strategic supplier base to ensure that the materials and processes are state of the art. For product maturation, we have taken the new Safari through the Blue Buck and E-Cube qualification processes. Coming to manufacturing, to ensure a consistent quality and premium feel, we have adopted the JLR build process for the BIW. High levels of automation help us ensure precise builds. We have installed adequate level of inspection and control using geometric palettes and inline gauging. Further, to make sure that the Safari is fully fit for Indian driving conditions and the Indian environment, we have extensively tested for everyday use and for the toughest terrains throughout India, in all weather conditions from -10 to +50 degrees centigrade. We have also taken it to the highest points in India, including the Khardungla. The Safari has been tested at 140 kilometers per hour for thousands of kilometers. During validation, we have ensured that the gear shifts are done at max power to strain the engine and drivetrain even more. The Safari has also been tested through high humidity conditions in South India to make sure that the vehicle performs in all kinds of conditions. All this has ensured us a perfect product in the all-new Safari that we are bringing to you today. With this, I hand over to Vivek to showcase the highlights of the all-new Safari. Over to you, Vivek.
Thank you, Mohan. Good evening once again to all my friends from the media, and a very warm welcome to customers from across the world. My media friends have repeatedly said that India is an SUV country. The high seating, ability to seat more than 5 people in comfort, to manage suddenly varying road conditions makes the SUV body style more suited for Indian driving conditions. Indian customers are taking to the SUV category faster than ever. The SUV market has been growing consistently for a long time now and maturing as well. Newer subsegments are developing with different usage patterns emerging, and it is important to know that every single subsegment of the SUV category is growing. SUVs have grown from just about 8% in financial year 2001 to over 26% last year. And in terms of numbers, the SUV category has grown from 54,000 units a year 20 years back to over 7 lakh units last year. As the market matures, what an SUV means to a customer and the perception that it evokes has changed dramatically. SUVs have become more accessible to a wider range of customers, and it has moved from an elite niche to a proper mainstream category. The traditional perception of a tall, heavy, fuel guzzling, difficult to drive, expensive to maintain, tire eating, body on frame SUVs of the past are being very quickly replaced by SUVs built on monocoque structures. Today, we have SUVs of all sizes, from below 4 meters to beyond 5 meters. Most importantly, SUVs deliver key customer benefits of high ground clearance, comfortable and very usable space, higher power and torque, and the ability to take on most challenges of normal usage in India. SUVs increasingly deliver a superior balance of ride, handling, space, features, power, and cost of maintenance. Most importantly, SUVs still deliver the pride of ownership much higher than most other categories to the customer. Talking of changing customer behavior, our lives have seen permanent changes across all areas due to the pandemic. Meeting family and friends has become the most sought after and desired activity. Increasingly, driving getaways with a group of people has become the safest, most practical and most preferred kind of vacation. Hence, having a safe, comfortable, powerful, feature-packed car capable of accommodating more than 5 people has become a necessity. With this context, it is the best time to bring to the market a safe, powerful and prestigious SUV. It is the best time to bring back an iconic SUV, an iconic brand and a very liberating brand promise. It is a great time for customers to gain back control and to reclaim their lives. It's time to welcome the Safari back onto Indian roads. The Safari was the SUV that introduced the SUV lifestyle to India. Safari is the flagship of our new Forever range of Tata Motors. It exemplifies every pillar of the brand: design, driving pleasure, safety, connectivity, and prestige. Design has been at the forefront of Tata Motors' resurgence in the market. New car buyer survey shows that Indian customers have increasingly rated good-looking and well-designed cars as the top reason to buy. With the Impact Design 2.0, Tata Motors has the most synergized design language, and with the Safari, Impact Design goes to its pinnacle. The domineering stance of the Safari creates a stunning impact, rivaling SUVs even from higher segments. The stepped roof, the premium grille, the imposing tailgate, and the large 18-inch alloys create a towering and majestic stance from any angle. The interiors of the Safari are super premium. Ashwood dashboard delivers an ambience of opulence and sophistication. Paired with the oyster white color theme, the spacious and uncompromised space with 3 rows of stadium-style seating deliver luxurious seating for 6 or 7 passengers. At Tata Motors, we are focused on delivering reassuring ride and handling to each of our products to deliver an enjoyable drive whichever segment they are in. The Safari as a flagship delivers a new benchmark of drivability and handling. The proven and powerful 170 PS Cryotech engine has been consistently appreciated for its smooth and eager power delivery. Safari carries forward the Tata Motors DNA of multi-drive modes, and it is further paired with the advanced ESP-based terrain response modes. This ensures that our customers can choose where and how they would like to drive their Safari and derive maximum driving pleasure. Tata Motors has taken the lead in making the safest cars more accessible to Indian customers. Safari carries forward Tata Motors' commitment to safety, with safety being built inside out. As you all know, Safari is the second product on the Omega architecture, derived from the legendary D8 architecture from Land Rover. It has been proven for safety across the world over perhaps the toughest terrains known to exist. Modern monocoque construction with high-strength steel is the direction most SUVs are moving towards. With 6 airbags, disc brakes all over, tire pressure monitoring system, auto-dimming IRVM, cornering fog lamps, and child seat ISOFIX anchor emphasize continuous safety throughout every drive. The Safari introduces electric parking brake to our portfolio with a very wide range of convenience and safety features to our customers. We believe that perhaps this will be the highest used, most important and convenient safety feature on a day-to-day basis. At Tata Motors, we strongly believed that electronic stability program is extremely important for crash avoidance. We have provided ESP to our compact SUV, the Nexon, and the ESP version in the Safari is most advanced and versatile, delivering 14 different functionalities that aids in crash avoidance, providing a blanket safety across a wide range of terrain and situations on the road. Infotainment has been a pillar for Tata Motors for the last few years. We introduced high-quality branded audio and took the game forward with a connected car pack made specifically for Indian usage pattern, IRA Connected for India. And it is now time to introduce IRA to our Omega Arc products. IRA brings a wide range of extremely useful safety, gamification, and vehicle diagnostic oriented features to the Safari. Safari being a flagship product, delivering high quality comfort and essence of pride and prestige was high priority. Starting with the luxurious captain seats with stadium style seating and the option of a 6 or 7 seater, Safari offers high flexibility for a comfortable drive in any conditions. At its core, Safari has been designed to deliver great comfort to 6 or 7 passengers, which means that the third row is not a compromise. A lot of thought has gone to deliver the best possible comfort, space and convenience in the third row. Not only have we released the best possible space, the third row seats are also designed to provide best possible seating configuration like floor to seat height, third row legroom, thigh support and a large recline angle to the backrest to provide seating comfort for long distances. Focus convenience features like dedicated USB port, cup holders, a dedicated AC unit with controller, a large glass area to provide a feeling of space to the third row. The modular boot space takes the versatility of the Safari to the next level. The 9 different modes of seating configuration makes the Safari well suited for all your needs, be it your family drive, a business trip or a weekend camping trip. Safari comes with the widest in segment panoramic sunroof with safety features like global closure, rain sensing closure and anti-pinch functionality. Additionally, Safari offers a special Boss mode, releasing spacious legroom in the second row over long distances with just the touch of a lever. Mood lighting adds to the perfect ambience during your night drives. The Safari offers intelligently designed cubby holes to carry all your essentials everywhere. Let us now look at the variant walk. To begin with, the base XE variant is fully packed. It offers dual airbags, an electronic stability program along with hill hold control and rollover mitigation. Disc brakes all over make it a well-rounded package. Multi-drive modes and touchscreen music system starts from the XM variant onwards. In the XT variant, we offer IRA connectivity, R18 alloy wheels, fully automatic climate control, and it also comes with an option of a panoramic sunroof. The top of the line XZ variant offers xenon HID headlamps, terrain response modes, 6 airbags, electronic parking brake with auto hold, 8.8-inch touchscreen infotainment with the 9 JBL speakers and a subwoofer, powered driver seat, diamond cut 18-inch alloy wheels, and it comes with an option of a panoramic sunroof. Let us now look at what the new Safari looks like. Can we have the AV please?